Now that vaccines are being rolled out across the country, many Siouxlanders continue to wonder when things might get back to normal.
A question you're probably hearing a lot of. Our KCAU-9 News reporter Mallory Smith spoke with experts about when that might be in our top story at 6. It isn't uncommon to want everyday life to go back to normal, and although Governor Reynolds took away the mask mandate, health officials are saying it might be a little longer till things are the way that they used to be.
The CDC says even after your vaccination, which research shows is 95% effective, you should continue to follow the CDC recommendations, some of those being wearing a mask, practicing social distancing, and limiting the amount of people at gatherings. But that guidance leading many to wonder, when will things really go back to normal?
There's lots of different variants, mutations of the virus that are out circulating right now, and we're not exactly certain how effective the vaccines are going to be against the different variants.
O'Toole says there's research being done on whether or not people who are asymptomatic carriers of the disease can spread the virus, meaning experts are still not sure that if you catch the virus after getting vaccinated and are asymptomatic, you can spread the virus to others. We spoke with some of the community members about how they feel about having to follow guidelines after receiving the shot.
I don't want to wear a mask now. I'm only wearing it here because I have to.
Susie Strobin just received her first dose of the vaccine.
I'm glad that I've had the first dose, and I'm just a step closer to being a little safer, but I know just because I had the first dose doesn't mean everything's fine. And no matter what, I am going to be cautious, even after the second dose.
Strobin says, much like everyone else, she would like to return to normalcy, but for right now, the times we're in feels like the new normal.
I would love to be able to get back to at least feeling comfortable being out and being around people, but yet still, I think the new normalcy is being cautious.
U.S. health officials say at least 70% of the population needs to be vaccinated before things can truly start to go back to normal. Reporting live in the studio, Mallory Smith, KCAU-9 News.